It's mine!
Stop arguing! I'll be taking this, and since you guys were arguing, no junk food for a week.
But Mom!
Fred, let's do a challenge. Whoever sneaks more snacks from Mom wins.
That's so easy!
Let's start! Look, Mom's watching TV. Oh man! Okay, for the first round, we have to hide our candy and sit next to Mom.
You call that a challenge?
Yeah, let's start! I'll hide my marshmallows using makeup sponges. First, I'll take out the sponge. Then replace it with the marshmallow. Then I'll do the same thing with the bag.
I'll hide my candy in plain sight with this edible glue and this TV remote. First, add edible glue to the button. Then put your candy on top. I'm ready, Lily!
Me too! May the best trick win!
Alright.
Hey, Mom! Hey, kids!
Oh, I love this show!
Me too! I hear chewing. Who's eating?
I'm just doing my makeup, see?
So it's Fred.
No way, I don't even have any candy, see?
It must have been the TV then.
Yeah, the cooking show's getting really intense.
Yes!
We're finally done cleaning!
Yeah, now we can enjoy our candy!
Lily, Fred, are you done cleaning yet?
I'll hide in here!
Oh, this is the perfect hiding spot!
Let's see, is everything clean now?
Look, Mom, I organized everything!
Wow, the counter's so clean. What about you, Lily?
Yeah, the stoves are clean!
Ooh, Lily, what are you making?
Wait! You can't uncover it! It's not done boiling!
That's interesting. Huh? The stove is off. There we go.
Thanks, Mom. Fred still has his candy. That's not fair.
Well, good job cleaning, guys.
Thanks, Mom!
Wait!
Huh?
Could you help me salt some chicken?
Oh, of course. Let me get this out. Huh? Fred, what is the meaning of this?
Wait, Mom, is that what it looks like?
Yes, it is. No more games for today.
Aw, man!
Yes, I got the point. Yes! All right, Fred, be careful. Don't get caught by Mom.
Okay, I won't.
Huh? Is anything wrong, guys?
Oh, nothing, Mom.
The food's really good.
Huh? Lily, why are you eating candy?
But Mom!
You know you're not supposed to. Now give me that. I shouldn't have to tell you more than once.
Stop laughing. You didn't even sneak anything. That's cheating.
What are you talking about, Lily? My candy's right here.
Liar, I don't see anything.
Oh, yeah? Watch this. My spoon was made out of chocolate, see?
I guess you win this round, Fred.
Yes!
Remember, guys, no snacks this late or your stomach will hurt.
Yes, Mom.
Okay, good night. Sweet dreams.
I'll hide my candy in here. I'll win this round for sure.
Lily's asleep. I'm gonna sabotage Lily with these snacks. I'll just leave this here. I'll leave some Skittles there, and I'll leave the bag with her. Alright, now for the finishing touch. I'll leave some clues for Mom to follow. After that, there's no way Lily can beat me.
Oh man, I need some coffee.
Huh? Lily's going to be in so much trouble. Lily! Lily, wake up!
What, Mom?
I can't believe you're eating junk food and on your bed?
But Mom, I didn't do
You
this.
can't get out of this. You're grounded.
Fred's been eating junk food too.
Huh? Are you serious? Ugh. Fred!
Huh? What happened?
Lily says you've been eating junk food.
Yeah!
What? But I wasn't, see? No candy.
I can't believe you, Lily.
Oh, come on.
I don't want to hear it.
Yes! Sweet victory.
Hi everyone! If you guys like the challenge video, leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!